Hello and good day. In algebra, we are going over the answers to PO10, our equation review. The second page of them, which is where kind of all the challenging ones are. So to start at the top, I'll put the answer down, and if you want to talk about it, we can certainly do that. I'm not even at the top of the page. Why didn't someone tell me I wasn't at the top of the page? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll come down here. Okay. Now I'm at the top of the page. So for this first one, n equals -1. You distribute on the right side, find that you got n's on both sides. You use opposite operations to move things around, and n equals -1. Over here, n equals 4. N equals 4. Soybean. I'm anticipating if anyone wants to go over some of these, my work will go down below. And so I still have the answer there, and I leave room for the work. So hashtag experienced teacher. Bridget.
I got -0.18.
For the first one or the second one?
Second one.
Okay, so we'll go through that one. And if you didn't get the correct answer, compare each of your steps. That's why I wanted to show your work here, so that as we go through it, you can decide, oh, I distributed wrong, or oh, I moved terms around wrong, right? Whatever the error is, we want to identify it, so that if you're doing the same thing on all of them, it turns from, I don't get any of this, to I just need to fix this one thing, or these one or two things, and then it'll all fall into place. So with these multi-step things that we're doing here, identifying where the mistake happens is doubly important. So we're going to start by distributing in the -2. We're not going to do anything to the left side yet. So we get 5n plus 34 equals -2 plus 14n, right? That sign belonging to the -2 here, -2 times -7 gives us positive 14n. Okay? Is that where you went wrong?
Yeah.
Common mistake. Okay. From here, now we've got variables on both sides, nothing we can combine. So we are going to move our variables from one side to the other, just in the interest of keeping things positive. I'll subtract 5n from both sides. So I get positive 9n on the right. 34 equals -2 plus 9n. Again, opposite operations to move my constant over to the left. And 36 equals 9n, and that divided by 9 gives me a value of 4. So if you didn't get 4 as an answer, check the first line to see if you distributed correctly. If that's right, then check to make sure you're moving things over correctly. Did you subtract 5n? Or if you move the 14n over, did you subtract 14n? Opposite operations. Did you keep it -2 here and then add 2 to both sides, right? So check those signs, check each step as you go along. Anybody still not get this right? Not quite sure why? All right, very well. Moving on to the next row. The first one, brother. Okay, the first one, we get x equals 3, and then n equals -1. Either of those want to talk about?
No, you're good. Great.
Anybody? No? Okay, very well. The next row below that, we've got x equals 5 for the first one, and x equals 4 for the second one. 5 and 4. Anyone want to discuss? You sure? They're tricky. No? All right. Bottom row then. We have we did the one on the right together. -13/14 is, I believe, what we came up with here for that one. And this one, n equals 5/3. If you have the decimal value of 1.6 repeating, that's fine. But 5/3 is the answer there. Anybody want to talk about that one? Elise? Yes, the mixed number value 1 2/3 is also fine. Anybody?
No.
Bridget?
Okay, so for the first one and the last one, yeah. I got 0.3 and it just keeps repeating.
Yep, 0.3?
Yeah.
Okay. So starting with distributing here, check your signs, because here's another one where we'll have a -2 times a -6. So we've got 24n minus 22 equals -2 plus 12n. Did you get that far?
No.
Okay. So then did you move your n's over to the left side or to the right side?
No, I forgot the N on the 12. Never mind.
Oh, that would do it. Sure. Yep. Anything else? All right. Well, we will go ahead and go to the quiz. That is how you math. Hold on.